An older person's immune system declines as they age, and some foods can make that process worse. The immune system can be weakened by eating certain foods, which I shall list in this video. 1. Fried meals, such as fried beans, cakes and French fries, and a wide variety of other foods, are commonly consumed yet can impair your immune system. Fast food joints and fast food restaurants have been linked to the development of advanced glycation end products, which contribute to tissue inflammation and a lowered immune response if consumed regularly, according to studies. 2. A high-salt diet can lead to inflammation and a weakened immune system. So, if you're the kind who can't seem to stop eating meals like these, you should watch how much salt you put into your diet on a regular basis. 3. Reduce the amount of processed meat you eat on a regular basis, because the saturated fat it contains can lead to inflammation and a weakened immune system. 4. Refined carbohydrates. These include white bread, pasta, and various other items don't provide enough fiber and other nutrients your body needs. So, you can limit their intake. They may trigger inflammation and sugar surges. Plus, they weaken your defenses and increase your risk of infection.